Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I show you Bitfriend's CyberTools, awesome web tools. This is our admin panel. You can see dashboard, it's a total view, most popular, then pages, top users. Then another function is general settings. It's an option you can customize. Then SMTP and email settings. Then web tool settings, tools, add settings, language settings, manage SaaS, then tools page settings, tools SaaS, update, then blog post, page, user, profile. You can customize your profile, change your password or update. If you want this script, check out link in the description below. Thank you.